everybody, and welcome. It's Sunday. Oh, look at my beautiful haircut. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Now, how do you see my reaction videos? Alright. Evan, where are we going on an adventure? Well, YouTube, today we're going to... Wait, YouTube good is this? What are you doing here? Whoa! Okay.
No, I forgot to turn it
off. We're going to...
I turned his light off and I forgot to turn the arrow off.
Don't turn the arrow.
Cola Land. Come on, let's go into Cola Land.
Oh, alright. Well, I turned the light
Go into
off.
the cola machine.
I have to
Well,
pee.
Coca-Cola machine.
You want? Okay, go ahead.
No, are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is that Barnaby by the...
Quizzy! Let's close. Let's go in. Oh! Never mind. This is not the cola machine. Where's the cola machine? Oh, it's through here. Let's go in the cola machine. Whee! Okay, press the button. 3, 2, 1, blast off! What? Oh no, it's gone haywire! Oh no, it's gone haywire! Where are we? I wonder where we are. Hello, Evan. Hello, Evan. Who said that? Me. Who? Me. I don't know who you are. Show yourselves. Ah! Oh. No. No. Get off of me. No. Guys. Ah. Ah. Get off. Ah. Welcome to Chopper and Sons Lumber Company. Diner. You think you're getting sleepy. You think you're getting sleepy. You think I have killed Evan. No, you haven't. Give me it back. No. Open this light. Okay. That was weird.
Are you out of that room now?
Almost.
Oh my god. It's gone? Yeah, it's gone. What was that thing? It looked like...
Good thing these people don't know where
I used to play a game. You probably heard of this. It's called Chipper and Sons Lumber Company. He looked like the dad from Chipper and Sons Lumber Company. Do you think this is your Five Nights at Freddy's ripoff? Oh, I hate these ripoffs. I mean, some of them I like, but not when it's my favorite games. Well, Pokemon is, I don't really care. But not when it's this. Oh.
I told you he deleted the only picture I had of that woman's face.
Guys, I have no idea. What should I do? Should I go searching for that crazy guy? Or should I just
Only picture.
go back through try and fix the machine and get out of here? Oh, no. I think he's coming back. Oh, no! Ah! I kidnapped him. Right? No, you haven't! No, you haven't! Ah! You know... Oh, I'm so scared. He's gone now. I'm going to go find shelter and hide myself. Bye for now. And remember, choose